Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDT from Coinbase to your Tangem wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to secure your assets, this is a must-know process. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a popular choice for transactions without the wild price swings of other cryptos. Coinbase is one of the easiest exchanges to use, and Tangem Wallet offers top-notch security with its hardware features. So, let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have your Coinbase account set up and verified. Log in to your Coinbase dashboard. It's that blue icon on your app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select USDT from your asset list. You'll see your balance there. Double-check that you have enough to cover any withdrawal fees. Next, grab your Tangem wallet. If you haven't already, open the Tangem app on your phone and connect it to your wallet device. Generate a new receiving address for USDT. This is crucial because every withdrawal needs a unique address for security. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos. Now, head back to Coinbase. Go to the Send or Withdraw option for USDT. Paste the address you just copied from your Tangem wallet, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Don't forget to add a note if your wallet supports it, just for your records. Review everything, amount, address, and fees, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. After the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Tangem Wallet app and check your balance. You should see your USDT there. Always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan if you're dealing with ERC20 USDT. A quick tip: always double-check addresses to avoid losing your funds, and consider the current network fees since they can vary. In 2025, with more advanced blockchain tech, this process is even smoother, but security is key. There you have it, folks. Withdrawing USDT to your Tangem wallet is easy and secure. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.